In a jar, add 2 tomatoes that are roughly chopped, followed by 3 to 4 garlic cloves. Grind this and make a smooth paste. Now in a pan, heat 1.5 tablespoons of oil, then add in a teaspoon of chili flakes and give it a quick stir. Then add in the grinded tomato garlic paste and stir it well. Close the lid and let this cook for 5 minutes on medium flame. Stir it once in between. After the paste has become thick, remove the lid, reduce the flame to low and stir it for a while before adding in half a teaspoon each of salt, sugar and pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of oregano or mixed herbs. Mix this well. Then close the lid and let it cook for another 2 minutes before switching off the flame. Let the sauce cool down. You can now use the sauce or even store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. Now it's time to make the pizza. Spread a good amount of pizza sauce on the base. You can also use the store-bought pizza sauce. Once done, sprinkle half the amount of shredded cheese over the sauce layer. In total, I have used 1 cup of cheese. Now place the onion petals over this. I have used half an onion. You can either slice or cube the onion. Arrange the sliced tomatoes. I have used 1 tomato. Make sure to remove the pulp of the tomato. Then add the sliced or cubed capsicum or bell pepper. I have used half a capsicum. Arrange the veggies evenly on the crust, then spread the remaining cheese on top. If you have olives or basil leaves, you can add it on top of the cheese. Lastly, sprinkle some chili flakes and oregano or pizza seasoning. Place the pizza on the pan and let the flame be on low throughout. We do not want the crust to burn. Close the lid and let the cheese melt. This will take around 10 minutes. Once your cheese has melted or you think your pizza is done, switch off the flame and remove the pizza from the pan. Transfer to a plate or board and let it sit for a while. Cut the pizza into slices and enjoy your cheesy and yummy vegetable pizza. Do check out my channel for more drool-worthy recipes. See you!